Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening mail and signing in. This ensures mail drop ties to your iCloud. Attach the large file straight to the message. Don't compress first, because mail detects size and offers mail drop automatically. Once prompted, choose Enable Mail Drop. The file uploads to iCloud, and mail keeps only a link in the message. You do this so recipients download from iCloud, avoiding mailbox size limits and saving your outbound SMTP connection from timing out. After enabling mail drop, let the upload complete before sending. Interruptions cause retries, so stay connected. Mail creates a secure iCloud link and inserts it into your email. That's why recipients see a download link rather than a bulky attachment. You should understand the 30-day availability window, because mail drop removes files after that period. If you need prolonged access, upload to iCloud Drive or share via a persistent folder. Then paste that link into your message instead. Send once the progress indicator shows completion. Then confirm a recipient can download the file, because some corporate filters block external links. If mail drop fails, check your iCloud storage and network speed. Low free space or spotty Wi-Fi often causes failures. Then retry or split the file. For sensitive content, remember mail drop links are temporary. If you need extra security, use an encrypted archive or a passworded sharing service instead. That resolves most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.